Today, I will introduce to you the knife washer for double-edged coated aluminum, mainly used for grooving and drilling, suitable for aluminum alloy doors and windows, aluminum profiles, aluminum plastic doors and windows, for high-speed cutting, better cutting performance, more antioxidant constantly. The blade is sharp. The cutting is smooth and earthy. Larger drain tank design. It is conducive to the quick discharge of waste. Prevents sticking knives. Use it more efficiently.
Come to the first floor. Last second floor. One time penetration. Let's take a look at the front again.